Meta is making a bold move. It's not just a social media giant anymore. According to recent reports, Meta wants to get into the electricity trading business. And the reason is simple. Its data centers, especially those focused on AI, are consuming a massive amount of power. Meta is reportedly seeking federal approval to trade power wholesale. The company already formed a subsidiary, Atom Energy LLC, to act as a power marketer, which gives it the legal structure to buy and resell electricity. Here's how the strategy works. Meta would enter long-term contracts with power plant developers like solar, gas, or even nuclear to commit to buying electricity from new generation projects. That commitment helps developers secure financing to build these power plants. But Meta isn't just going to hoard all that power. When it has surplus electricity, more than its data centers need, it plans to resell the extra on wholesale markets. That gives Meta flexibility. It hedges risk, but also potentially makes money from the power it doesn't immediately use. Meta's head of global energy, Urvi Parikh, has said that many power plant developers want assurance. They want to know that big buyers are willing to put skin in the game. In other words, Meta's participation could accelerate the construction of new plants because developers would have guaranteed demand. At the same time, Meta's data center plans are driving unprecedented energy demand. For instance, to support its Louisiana data center campus, Bloomberg reports that at least 3 new gas-fired power plants might be required. There are benefits to this. Meta secures long-term power for its growing AI infrastructure. It can help fast-track the deployment of new power plants by providing financial certainty to developers. But there are also risks and challenges. Trading electricity isn't trivial. Meta will need to navigate complicated power markets, regulatory approval, and real risk around forecasting how much power it will use versus resell. Overall, this is a smart but bold strategic play. Meta is recognizing that as its AI ambitions grow, so does its power demand. And rather than remain a passive buyer, it's choosing to be an active player in the electricity market. If executed well, this move could give Meta more control, lower risk, and even influence how the power infrastructure develops. But it's not without its pitfalls. Regulatory hurdles, market risk, and the scale of infrastructure required are all big factors. In short, Meta's push into electricity trading could reshape how big tech powers itself, and possibly how the power grid evolves. It's a gamble, but one that might pay off big if they pull it off.